7 questions to consider when looking for your passion. Do you know what you're passionate about? Sometimes our passions aren't all that obvious to ourselves, especially when we have many diverse interests. So how do you figure out exactly what you're passionate about when the entire world seems interesting? Let's simplify the matter somewhat, but looking at these questions first. What gets you excited? Is there something you dream about doing in particular, or something you just can't wait to do when you have a spare moment? Anytime you're feeling excited about something, whether it's an object or an action, pay attention. This is the beginning of passion. If every problem in your life disappeared, what would you do next? Sometimes we get so caught up in the world of responsibility it becomes impossible to see past what needs to happen next. So let your imagination soar. What would you do if you could? Whatever your mind jumps to first will help point you toward passion. What did you love to do as a kid? Kids don't have the filters adults do. Think about summer vacation back when you were young. How did you fill your days? What are your fondest memories? A lot of times we find a hidden passion there we'd forgotten. What do you want to try? Fear is one of the biggest reasons we hold back. So what if you couldn't fail? What is one thing you wish you could do? What about this activity excites you now and makes you long to try it? What is your perfect day? This isn't so much a question as a visualization. Create the absolutely best day ever in your mind. What kinds of things do you find yourself wanting to include? What aspects thrill you the most? Somewhere in this perfect day, you're bound to find a passion. If you could change anything about the world, what would it be? Many times our passions take us outside ourselves in some way. If you're looking for a passion with purpose, look for something you see as wrong in the world. Ask yourself how you'd set about fixing it if you could. Is this something you might be passionate about? What would you regret not doing at the end of your life? In the end, whatever we regret most is generally something we didn't do or try. Think about your wishes, your dreams, and your goals. Which of those would you really regret not doing? As you answer these questions, look for the common denominators. If something came up more than once, you might really want to pay attention as it sounds like you already have a passion. If not, any of your answers might be cultivated into a passion with some time and attention.